What is going on, everybody? It is your boy John, and welcome back to Gearbox. So, today we've got another install for you, and I've also noticed that I feel like this is just where we start videos now. Not sure, but here we are. Anyway, like I said, we've got an install for you, so we're going to walk down stairs, and we are going to take a look at what it could be. Leave your guesses down below. And now we are going to enter in my workout space / review / reveal spot. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Right here we have the Maxton Designs side skirts for the WRX. This is something that basically, I always wanted to put a front lip on the car. I just think it kind of sets it apart, gives it a lower look and everything like that. But once I did that, I felt like the rest of the car just seemed a little bit unbalanced. And I got started thinking, I'm like, man, I really need some side skirts. I don't want anything crazy. Don't need anything super loud or anything like that. But I think between just having, once again, some more black accents and then having these little canards off the side, I think that's going to give it a really good look. So anyway, we're going to go ahead, go out in the garage, jack up the car, you know the deal. I'll get back with y'all once we kind of get to that part. I'm assuming this should be pretty damn easy. It's literally probably, I don't know, 20 self-tap screws. Just make sure you line it up right, and after you smoke the first hole, it is what it is. So anyway, we will go outside. I need to actually tighten down the canards first. I put them on and then haven't done that. So anyway, we're gonna do that. I'll meet you outside and I'll see you then. All right, guys, so clearly we have not even put the car up yet, but I did just want to update y'all as far as tightening down this canard here. So that is going to take an 8mm socket. Not too difficult. I mean, obviously you twist 2 damn bolts and they're in there, but I figured just for the sake of being informational, that is an 8mm. And then, yeah. So I just tightened that down. I would hate to get it all the way on and then they're not tight. That would be a pain in the ass. So now at this point, I'm going to jack up the car and we will get started here. All right, so just to give you all a heads up here, right as I went to jack up the car, I'm kind of like, oh shit. I mean, the jack points are where the side skirt's going to go. Obviously a little bit further in on that pinch weld, but either way, this is kind of my setup. I just grabbed an old battery here. The nice thing about this install versus the front and lip is, one, it's linear, and two is that because it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but really once I drill this, I'll just be able to work my way down and then eventually get there. Whereas the front lip, you had to kind of work from the middle and go out, so it was a little more tedious, I guess. But this edge should line up here and this one should line up here. So can't be too difficult. So I'm gonna go get on my crawler here, start drilling, and we'll go ahead and knock her out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made some progress, so wanted to update y'all. So right now, we're still on this side. I actually had to take a little bit of a break because battery died on the drill, no big deal. So right now, I've got screws, the self-tappers done right to about that middle point. As you can see, I just used some tape, kind of mocked it up just to keep it in place. I think it looks great at this point. Now, one thing I did do, let's come around to this side here, is as I was charging the drill, right before I went inside, just to take a little break, I went ahead and mocked up this side. Now, what I want to do, and this is very important, especially when you have OCD like me, and just, you want your car to look good. I love where this is at right now. As you can see, just kind of following the line, it kind of bows out a little bit, and then has you know, a little more extension over there, and then obviously with this little canard, sticks out a little bit further. What I want to do now is kind of take measurements at the front, middle, and back of said side skirt. So right now we're about 1.5 inches. Right here we'll just base it on the middle of the doors there. We're at about 3/4 inch, and right here we are at, let's call it 1.5 inches. Now we will go over to this side. Once again, about 1.5 inches there. Right here, well, this needs to sit up a little bit, but about 3/4 inch. And right here, about 1.5 inches. So really, I mean, damn near dead nuts on, if I do say so myself. Once I get this driver's side fully hard mounted, I will take measurements again, but just wanted to make sure I was kind of on the right track. So like I said, I'm gonna throw the battery back in the drill, go ahead, get this side done, take the tape off, and just admire my hard work. And then we'll replicate everything on the other side, and we'll be done. Very, very easy. Like I said in the beginning, pretty straightforward install. But I mean, the look of this, and then you even look at it from the side, and I don't know if y'all can see the front splitter over there, but pretty much matches, you know, the width that this is adding, and just the fitment and everything like that. So I will pick y'all up when I'm done, and show you the end result. So let's get to it. All right, everyone, we have officially finished. So here's a look at the passenger side. All of the measurements are absolutely perfect, so good on me for that. Overall, guys, I think this side skirt looks awesome. And I know I kind of mentioned it earlier in the video, but really having I mean, I guess it's not subtle per se, given the canards and everything, but it almost looks kind of sort of OEM plus, at least with the actual skirt. Just giving it a little bit of an extension, once again, similar to the front lip, giving it a lower appearance. I think it's great. And then just the canard, adding a little bit of flair, you know, kind of the spicy meter here. And once again, you can adjust these as well. I believe you can go all the way into that actual side skirt. I decided, fuck it, we're going for it. And if you need to adjust it later on, you can. It's also important to note, big piece here. You can actually run similar canards to that up front. So there are going to be these brass well nuts here, actually in the side skirt itself. I opted not to do that. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly how that would look. I don't know. But similar to the conversation on moving this canard in and out, if I want to add them later, I can. So it's not a big deal at all. But guys, overall install, super simple. I mean, if you can operate a drill and tape, you're probably gonna be okay. So anyway, I mean, now I think between kind of having the rear the way it is, exhaust, carbon fiber, now you got the side skirts, black wheels, go around to the front with the lip and the carbon fiber grille and the tail, you know, or the headlights rather. I love where my car's at. I think my brother actually said this the other day. He's like, because he was driving behind me, he's like, man, I love your car because it's clearly modded, but it's not like I'm not running badass canards right here, or like, I mean, wide body. I'm not shitting on wide bodies. I love wide bodies. But it's tastefully put together, I guess, in my opinion. Some of y'all might look at this and say your car looks like shit, and guess what? I don't care. That's fine. Leave it in the comments down below. Let's stir up some controversy, but whatever. It's my car. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Gearbox. As always, hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. Hit subscribe to see more content like this. Hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I post a video. And until next time, peace.